What's going on YouTube? This is What Would Josh Do, and this is a super exciting video for me because for the last year and a half, I have been PC gaming and I have put the controller down and I have switched to mouse and keyboard. And I have been using a Logitech mouse for over a year now, and now I get to use a Logitech keyboard. Super exciting. I can't even speak English. This is the G915. This is kind of an expensive wireless keyboard. Let's take a look. It's Lightspeed technology. It's got RGB, so it'll sync up with my mouse. And if you have any Logitech headsets that are RGB, it'll sync up with that as well. And so I'm not an expert on the keycaps and stuff, but what I am an expert at is not opening things very well. All right, let's go ahead and check this out. And I opened it the wrong way. Go figure. Oh, man. That's got a little bit of weight to it. It's got some little things to flip up. Oh, it's got a different one. So if you want it to be like a little bit not as tall or taller, that's freaking awesome. Or you can just lay it flat. It's got rubber all around it to keep it from sliding around on a table. And then we've got a little squirrel wheel here for volume. When this is important to me because I use Spotify a lot. And then we've got like a switch here. It has an internal battery that will charge up through the micro USB port. And I did some research before opening this, and that micro USB port, you can actually use it in wired mode. So if you don't want to use the wireless, you could probably save a little bit of money, go down to the 800 series. But if you do want to get this one and use it wired, you can. And not much else. Super slim. Super slim. So we've got the little thing here so we can charge the or use the dongle. So micro USB into the computer. Interesting setup there. We have a nice braided cable that is micro USB. Plug this into your computer. Got a G sticker. And that about wraps it up. All right, let's just do a quick little test here. Josh and the dog crossed the street. It's quieter than my... I have just a generic pluggable gaming keyboard. It's mechanical. So this is exciting. We've got like a Bluetooth, and we've got some lights and RGB settings, the Lightspeed. We've got memory buttons, and we've got programmable macros. So if you want to use Logitech G Hub to set a macro, you could have this key do a certain attack, and then this key do another certain attack. And so that's pretty awesome. All right, so we've got our G915 currently updating. This little thing has been going crazy while it's updating. And the update was successful. So many things. So many things. Oh my goodness. Choose device to sync. So now my mouse. What is this? It's the same. When it's blue, it's in wired mode. So, yay. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, subscribe. Please follow me on Twitter and Instagram if you're new here. I have a new keyboard to play with.